Welcome to B30. If you're recovering from a mental breakdown, shifting your life can make all the difference in your healing process. Today, we'll walk through 6 key steps to help you regain control, reduce stress, and rebuild your mental health. Let's dive into how you can shift your life and move forward. Number 6, change your nutrition. The food you eat has a direct impact on your mood and mind. Improving your nutrition by eating more natural, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can boost your energy and mental clarity. Avoid fatty and processed foods that can weigh you down physically and emotionally. Drinking plenty of water also helps you stay healthy, allowing you to focus more on your recovery. Number 5, avoid making life-altering decisions. When you're in recovery, it's important to avoid making major life decisions. This isn't the time to move across the country, quit your job, or end a relationship unless absolutely necessary. Big changes can add extra stress to an already challenging time. Wait until you're in a more stable and balanced state of mind to make life-altering choices, so you can think through all the consequences. Number 4, reduce your stress. Stress is a major factor in mental breakdowns, so reducing stress is essential for recovery. Practice calming activities like deep breathing, yoga, or even taking regular breaks throughout your day. Getting enough sleep and learning to structure your time can also help you avoid feeling overwhelmed. By managing your stress levels, you'll create space for healing and prevent setbacks in your recovery. Number 3, get creative. Expressing your feelings through creative outlets can be a powerful way to process emotions. Try painting, photography, writing, or any other form of art that speaks to you. Creativity allows you to let out emotions you might not be comfortable expressing in other ways. Even if you don't consider yourself a creative person, give it a try. You might be surprised at how much it helps you get in touch with your emotions. Number 2, find an active hobby. Physical activity can be a great way to focus your mind and release tension. Whether it's bike riding, hiking, gardening, or dancing, an active hobby provides a positive distraction from your recovery process. It gives you something productive to focus on and helps you build momentum as you move forward. Staying active is not only good for your body, but for your mental well-being too. Number 1, simplify your life. One of the most important things you can do is to simplify your life. If you're overwhelmed with stress and responsibility, your recovery will be harder. Cut out obligations that cause anxiety or stress, and give yourself permission to do less without feeling guilty. Focus on the essentials, and allow yourself time to breathe and recover without overextending. Shifting your life after a mental breakdown is possible, and these steps will help you get there. Remember, recovery takes time. So be kind to yourself and take it one step at a time. Let me know which step resonates with you the most in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little help shifting their life. See you next time.